Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable sound for event activity notifications on Facebook using your PC. If you've been missing updates about events or not hearing any alert when something changes, this quick setting will fix that. First, go ahead and open Facebook in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your notification settings without any issues. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the notifications icon, which looks like a bell. Click on that icon to open your recent notifications. Now at the top of the notifications panel, you'll notice 3 small dots. Click on those 3 dots to open more options. From the menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage how Facebook alerts you. On the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you find the Events section. This is where Facebook controls all notifications related to events you're interested in or attending. Click on Events to expand the options. Here, you'll see different types of event notifications. Look for activity and make sure it's enabled. Turning this on ensures you get updates when there's activity related to your events. To make sure you also hear a sound when these notifications come in, check that your browser allows Facebook to play sounds and that your device volume is turned up. This small step makes a big difference, especially if you rely on alerts to stay updated in real time. And that's it. You've successfully enabled sound for event activity notifications on Facebook using your PC. Now you won't miss any important updates related to your events.